Racing just is started with Peter's Pride. Break quickly to start. Maldapio is on the young Amulet. Then comes Cadalea. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang running by the rail. Samara Plus. Movie title comes next. Then followed by Rachel's Gift. Richco. Asikaso. No. Yana comes next. Packet Money. While Babes Magic is the early trailer by about 20 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. We have Peter's Pride moving upon the outside is Catalea. Zamera Plus is running by the rail, then 4 lengths back in port now is Kiss Kiss Bang Bang Amulet. Movie title comes next. Rachel's Gift, Maldapio, Asikaso, No Yana, Richco, Pocket Money racing second last while Base Magic is still in 13th. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Peter's Pride by about 3 lengths. Catalea, Samara Plus, Amulet. Now moving upon the outside, so sweet movie title. Then comes Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, Rachel's Gift, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Peter's Pride, movie title is on the outside. Amulet as they swing to Rome. Peter's Pride by about 2 lengths. Movie title is on the outside. Amulet, last 100 meters. Peter's Pride followed by movie title, Amulet, and finally the curtain closer. Peter's Pride, movie title, Amulet, then comes Rachel's Gift, Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, Pocket Money.
Catch fly, the open racing cuts incredible. Jumps quick argue Tito Jean right behind in second. And down in third is Yes Kitty moving up. Alki, I'm in the mood for love. Musketeer, one bar with Tiger of Sydney Palanyag. Trust my luck. And Regal Berry, another straight day trouble. The grey one cuts incredible. Leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Tito Gina. And moving up now to take third, Alki. Yes Kitty, right behind in fourth, 2 lengths back in fifth, Tiger of Sydney. Then followed by Palanyag, I'm in the mood for love, Musketeer, Regal Baby. While Trust My Luck is now running in a tail of the field towards the last 600. That's incredible. Just in front, being chased na by Alki. And coming up in third is Yes Kitty. And inside the last 600, going to the last 4. That's incredible. Swings away now to about 3 lengths, followed by Alki. As they turn for home, Cuts incredible. Still in front by some 4 lengths. Followed now by Yes Kitty, Alki, Musketeer. And down to the finish, it is the Cuts incredible. And winning this race about 5 over Yes Kitty, Musketeer, Alki, Regal Baby. Trust My Luck, I'm in the mood for love.
Racing just is started. We have Showtime. Break quickly to start. Bull Session in second. Running by the release Matang Tubig. Gates of Money. Price Dancer comes next. Then followed by Cats Diamond. While Pax Britannica is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the little one. Going along for the first turn. We have Showtime. Bull Session is done on the inside. Then 4 lengths back in third comes Matang Tubig. Gates of Money comes next, then followed by Price Dancer. Pax Britannica now second last, while Cats Diamond now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Showtime by about half length. Down on the inside now is a Bull Session, then comes Gates of Money, then followed by Matang Tubig. Price Dancer comes next, Pax Britannica, while Cats Diamond is still in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Showtime by about 2 lengths. Bull Session in second. Gates of Money still in third. as they swing for home. Showtime, followed by Bull Session, Gates of Money. Last 100 meters, Showtime. Bull Session is down on the inside. Showtime, Bull Session is down on the inside. Showtime, Bull Session, Showtime, Bull Session, Showtime, Bull Session is down on the inside. And finally, it's Bull Session. Showtime, then comes Gates of Money close. Price Dancer, Pax Britannica.
This is ready and waiting. Director's play. Altus Choice. Ora Mismo is racing in third. Now we have ready and waiting. Director's play on the outside. Ora Mismo. Altus Choice. I Am Alert in fifth. Down in sixth. Santa Fe. Then comes Skybird and Promise is the early trailer. Ready and waiting. Moving up now is Director's play on the outside. Director's play takes the lead. Ready and waiting. I Am Alert now in third. Altus Choice in fourth. Ora Mismo is racing in fifth. Then comes Santa Fe, Skybird, and Promise. And that's still Director's play by on a length. I Am Alert now in second. Ready and waiting is racing in third. Alongside fourth, Altus Choice and Ora Mismo. Director's play still in front. I Am Alert is on the outside. Ready and waiting and Altus Choice. But it's still Director's play by on a length. I Am Alert. Altus Choice ready and waiting is down on the inside. Director's play. I Am Alert. Ready and that was a spill. Jackie Hermie Dilemma on. Ready and waiting took a spill. But it's still Director's play by about 5 lengths now. Over I Am Alert. Last 75 meters. It's still Director's play. I Am Alert Santa Fe. And finally, it's Director's play. Second, Santa Fe, I Am Alert, Altus Choice, Skybird.
Racing Jazz is started. We have Kimagure. Break quickly to start. Branching up Nawarayans. That is Batang Carmona. Then comes Humble Pie. Then followed by Sweet Julian, Director's Astra. While Royal Seal leads the early trailer by about 4 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Kimagure by about 4 lengths. Director's Astra in second. Moving it down on the inside is Royal Seal. The next on line is Batang Carmona. Humble Pie comes next, while Sweet Julian now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Kimagure enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And in second is Royal Seal. Batang Carmona now trying to get closer. In third and in fourth comes Humble Pie, Director's Astra, while Sweet Julian is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Kimagure by about 2 lengths. Humble Pie, Batang Carmona, Sweet Julian now arriving at Besen as they swing for home. We have Kimagure, Humble Pie, Batang Carmona, Sweet Julian is on the outside. We have Humble Pie now takes command. Sweet Julian is on the outside, but it's still Humble Pie, and finally Humble Pie, Sweet Julian, Kimagure, Batang Carmona.
H Rider Open Racing Cape Blanca Creative on the outside with Panaginip, Mikonanga, and Lawang Bato, who's running in the tail of the field past the half mile, or past the winning post. Creative takes the lead now over Cape Blanca. Mikonanga now running in third, 4 lengths back Panaginip, and Lawang Bato, who's running in the tail of the field. Out of straight day travel, Creative by some 3 lengths, followed by Cape Blanca in second, 4 lengths back Mikonanga, Panaginip, and Lawang Bato. As they pass the half mile, Creative by some 2.5 lengths, coming close now in second, Cape Blanca. 6 lengths in behind them is Mikonanga. Here comes Panaginip and Lawang Bato. Inside the last 600, Creative, Cape Blanca now for the outside. Creative and Cape Blanca fighting it out for the leader. 6 lengths in behind them now, Panaginip, Mikonanga, and Lawang Bato inside the last 300. Creative now in front by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Cape Blanca. Panaginip na running into the Nico na nga and down to the finish. Creative swings away now to about 6 lengths over Cape Blanca and finally Creative. Cape Blanca. Third, Nico na nga. Panaginip, Lawang Bato.
Oh, says out ball Quest, Royal Kapupo, Queen Haley, sorry outside Rose for Mary, Colby Boy, and Director Santo Luis the retail. We have Royal Kapupo, Bulba Quest, Queen Haley, sorry outside third. Arrows for Mary's racing in four, Director Santer and Colby Boy. Royal Kapupo, Bulba Quest, Queen Haley, sorry outside third. Arrows for Mary's racing in four, then followed by Colby Boy and Director Santer. Now racing in last. Now we have Queen Haley takes the lead by a leg. Royal Kapupo is running by the second. Bulba Quest in third. Arrows for Mary in fourth. Here comes Colby Boy and Director Santer. With Queen Haley still the leader, running by the is Royal Kapupo. Arrows for Mary, Colby Boy coming closer now in fifth, Director Santer. Queen Haley, Royal Kapupo, Arrows for Mary, Bulba Quest. Here comes Colby Boy, but it's still Queen Haley by about half a length. Royal Kapupo, Arrows for Mary, Colby Boy. Royal Kapupo, Queen Haley on the outside, but it's still Queen Haley, Royal Kapupo in second, Arrows for Mary, Colby Boy, but it's still Queen Haley of the Royal Kapupo on the outside, Arrows for Mary, and finally it's Queen Haley. Royal Kapupo, then comes number 3, Arrows for Mary, Colby Boy, Bulba Quest, Director Santer.